Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this mini electric chainsaw. Alright, this features the handiness of portability. Let's see, so we'll just open this up here. It comes with this nice little hard case. And inside we have the instructions, some gloves, that's pretty cool. Got some protective eyewear, and we have this little guy. So yeah, instead of lugging around like a giant chainsaw, which most people don't need, and you're not cutting down like 20-foot redwoods or whatever, but to just trim up to like 6-inch branches and things like that, this is super handy. This also comes with a spare chain, 2 batteries. These are 21 volt and 2000 mega amp hours. 2 of these. Comes with our charger right there, and then some chain oil, and a couple little tools for switching out the chain if we need to. All right, so let's see how this thing goes here real quick. Put this on here. We can simply just snap that in place just like that. This comes with a little lanyard also. So if you are trimming or something up on a ladder, this is just going to help it from falling. So it's got a safety device here. Instead of just pulling the trigger, you have to push this in, and then you can pull the trigger. And yeah, also has a little blade guard here, so debris won't get caught in here, but that can come up. So to change out your blade, you would just use the tools you have, or the chain to do that. So this looks pretty sweet. We're gonna go actually test it out. I have a couple bushes that need to be removed. They're getting overrun by aphids, and it's not cool. So to remove your battery, just push that down and slide that out. Let's get this charged up, and then we'll go show you how it works. Can't get it off my wrist. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, well, as you can see, this thing is pretty handy. It's works really well. One thing I forgot to mention, and I didn't really know because I think this is the first time I actually used like a chainsaw before, yeah. But anyways, you don't want to just have a branch. Let me take this battery out real quick so there's no accidents. When you cut it, you don't want to be like, here's the branch. You don't want to just be cutting right here. You want to have it right next to here. So you put this right next to it, and then it cuts it right away. So at the beginning when I was cutting that bush, I had it kind of in the middle and it was kind of bouncing. But if you put the branch right there, it just cuts right through it, just like boom. So that was one thing I learned. Super handy. It's got plenty of power. And one more thing I wanted to show you. It just has this little light indicator here on the back, and that shows basically how much battery charge you have left in there. So that's another pretty neat thing. But yeah, if you have a garden or trees or something and you need to trim them, this is a super handy device. It works really well. I'm really impressed with the power that it has. The battery seemed to hold up really good. Made quick work of those 2 bushes I had. They were just, it was time for them to go. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.